Welcome to our channel. Using Google Translate offline is incredibly useful when traveling without internet access. Here's how to download languages for offline translation. Step 1. Download and open the Google Translate app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the app. Step 3. Select Offline Translation from the menu options. Step 4. Browse the list of available languages that can be downloaded for offline use. Step 5. Tap the download icon next to the language you want to use offline. Each language pack is approximately 40 to 50 megabytes. Step 6. Wait for the download to complete. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. Step 7. Once downloaded, the language will be available even when you have no internet connection. Step 8. Test offline translation by turning on airplane mode and using the app. You can translate text, use the camera feature, and have conversations in your downloaded languages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.